Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you can picture yourself out on the town for a night of live jazz, then you're going to need these shoes to go with that evening. This is a beautiful pop of color from Bravo. They're a nice classic pair of men's shoes that add in and elevate any look with that pop of color. These shoes are a wingtip style, so you have lots of simple, classic ideas on the shoe, but you're adding in that pop of color that's really going to make any outfit stand out. You could wear these with some jeans or with a dress suit, and you're really going to feel like your outfit is completely elevated. The shoes are made of vegan suede, and they have a rubber sole. So whether you need these for a night of dancing, or if you need them for a nice stroll after a dinner out, you're going to feel nice and comfortable with these shoes. If you know someone that really wants to add in some extra oomph to their outfits, then they definitely need to check out these shoes. They come in a range of colors and sizes, making them the perfect accessory for any outfit. And that's just my point of view.